Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to make collage of photos on Android. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to download an application called Square Pic. So we will go to the Play Store and here search Square Pic. So here is the application of Square Pic. You have to download from here and open it. So the app has been opened. At the top corner there are 3 horizontal lines. You will simply tap on 3 horizontal lines. At the third option there is a collage option. You will simply tap on it. Here you can select 2 to 9 photos to make a collage. So we will select 2 to 4 pictures for making a collage. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you want to select more, we will simply select more. There is the collage of 5 photos, right? So you can change the layout from the down there is the layout. You can simply change from here. So you can adjust also the picture's size as well. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can swap it like this by clicking on it and tapping on it by swapping. So this is the simple process of making a collage of photos on Android. So after at the top corner, after you have edited your collage photos, you will simply tap on save option and the photo will be saved into your gallery. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.